Let me ask you something. Why do so many people start learning English but quit after a few weeks?
Because they don't see fast results. They feel stuck, and then they give up.
Exactly. No clear plan, no progress, no motivation.
But what if you had a simple 90-day roadmap to speak English like a pro?
That's what we're sharing today.
Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English step by step. In today's episode, you will learn a complete 90-day plan to improve your English speaking, listening, and confidence. Let's get started.
Why the people fail. Before we start, let's understand the problem.
Most learners fail because they try to learn too much too fast. They don't practice speaking. They only watch videos but don't use English. They don't have a daily routine.
And the biggest mistake?
They give up too early. The 90-day plan overview. Our plan is simple. First 30 days, build the foundation. Next 30 days, practice speaking. Last 30 days, speak confidently.
Step by step. No stress.
Phase 1, day 1 to 30, foundation. In the first 30 days, focus on basics. Learn simple daily sentences. Listen to easy English every day. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily.
And don't forget,
Repeat everything you hear. Mini practice. I wake up early.
I wake up early. Phase 2, day 31 to 60, speaking practice. Now it gets exciting.
Start speaking every day. Talk about your daily life. Ask and answer simple questions. Practice with a partner or alone.
Even talking to yourself helps.
Mini conversation. What did you do today?
I studied English and watched a video.
Phase 3, day 61 to 90, confidence and fluency. Now you focus on fluency. Speak longer sentences. Think in English. Use real-life conversations.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you grow.
Mini practice. I've been practicing English every day, and I feel more confident now.
Excellent. Daily routine. Here's your daily plan. 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 5 minutes vocabulary, 5 minutes review.
That's only 30 minutes a day. So anyone can do this?
Yes, if they stay consistent.
That's the secret?
Not talent, not intelligence. Consistency. Let's try a natural conversation. How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning for a few months.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I can speak more easily than before.
That's amazing progress.
Final message. If you follow this plan for 90 days,
You will not be the same person.
you will speak better, think faster, and feel confident.
But only if you don't quit.
I'm starting this plan today.
That's the first step to success. Great job. Now you have a complete roadmap to speak English like a pro in 90 days. Start today, stay consistent, and never give up. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the channel. See you in the next episode.